Hey students, welcome to part 2 of our hybrid learning module tutorial. We're going to talk a little bit about check-in forms, and this is going to look a little bit different than distance learning, as you will find over the next couple of days as you get ready for your other classes. Each day I'm going to ask you to complete a brief check-in form, and this is very easy, very simple. This form must be completed before your class starts or during your class period for attendance purposes. If it's not complete, I'm going to have to mark you absent, which is no fun. So make sure that you go ahead and complete the Google form, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a second. So this is the Google form. It just reminds you what days you need to fill it out. You're filling it out if you're high school on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, the day that you're not here, and middle schoolers are filling this out on Wednesdays and Fridays. You need to put your email in, and that'll automatically fill in, hopefully for you, your full name, your first and your last name. The class you're checking in for, you do need to check in for each class individually throughout the day. So if you have me for 2 or 3 classes, you'll need to come back throughout the day and fill a new one out. Tell me what you're working on for my class today. And then that is a required question. And there's an optional question at the bottom if you have any questions, comments, or concerns for me. It will be, you can also put a joke there for me if you want to, or something like that to make me laugh. If you would like, or it'll automatically send you a reply in your email to confirm that I did receive this. If you do not get an email back, that means that it did not submit and you won't getting attendance. So in that way too, the reason I have sending you the email confirmation is so if I do actually mark you absent or it doesn't come through on my end, you can forward me the confirmation email and it'll be timestamped so I know that you filled out the form on time. So that's the Google form. It's pretty quick and easy. You'll fill this out every day that you are not physically in my classroom on the hybrid learning model.